Hi, welcome to ETOrchestrate Data Cloud, solving the data cloud scheduling problem. My name is Andres Perez. I go by El Toro IT, and I work for the Trailhead Academy as an instructor, where I have been teaching about data cloud since the beginning of the year. A very common question I get asked has to do with the scheduling of the different data cloud steps, which I could not answer properly until I decided to create this solution. A quick review of the Data Cloud data flow, which describes the flow of data in Data Cloud. Everything starts with ingesting the data, harmonizing it, unify it, and act on that data. This is made of several steps, which customers right now schedule, and that's where the problem is. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose I have these steps scheduled in my Data Cloud implementation. Now, don't worry too much about the duration of the steps or the time that I schedule them at. But do take a close look at the identity resolution, which may happen multiple times during the day without the administrator being able to control when it runs. This means it could run with old data. Also look at the data transform that starts at 11 a.m. and lasts for 50 minutes. What if one day the Salesforce servers, actually Amazon Web Servers, are slow and my process runs for over an hour? Well, the next step, which requires the results of that step, may run before the data is ready. Presenting ETOrchestrate Data Cloud, a tool to help solve the scheduling problem. It's a data-driven orchestration tool for Data Cloud. It's simple to implement. It executes the Data Cloud steps when the data changes, running those steps when the data is ready rather than based on an arbitrary schedule, ensuring data quality. The Data Cloud steps that can be scheduled include data transforms, identity resolution, calculated insights, and publishing segments. Now, you can also throttle how frequent the Data Cloud steps can be executed. This helps save those valuable credits. ETOrchestrate Data Cloud is data-driven, which means everything gets controlled by records in the master table. Those records indicate when the step gets triggered, what action it takes, the throttle mechanism, and the status of the last run. The administrator has to create a Data Cloud trigger flow on the DMO, data model object, or the CIO, calculated insight object, that wants to use the trigger of a particular step. The flow just needs to call the subflow, which is the entry point of the ETOrchestrate Data Cloud managed package. To configure ETOrchestrate Data Cloud, you need to install the managed package, assign permission sets to see and update the master record, configure and name credentials because the steps are executed by calling the REST API, created Data Cloud trigger flows, and the records in the master object. Any questions? For much more information, please visit the blogs I have written on ETOrchestrate Data Cloud by scanning the QR code. Thanks for watching.